Et donc là, comme d'habitude, vous allez écouter le document et vous allez deviner ce qu'il faut faire. Alors, je vous explique.
Is it a blue cat?
Is it a blue cat? Donc on s'enregistre et on donne la réponse à chaque image.
No, it isn't.
Is it a black dog?
No, it isn't.
Okay, look the smart board, okay? And what is it, Leo, please? It's Big Ben. Very good. Big Ben, is it French or is it British? It's British.
Les ateliers qui sont filmés ont pour objectif la compréhension de l'oral. Il s'agit, à travers cette compréhension, de travailler un enjeu culturel en s'appuyant sur des monuments londoniens et parisiens.
So, la Tour Eiffel, is it in Paris or is it in London? Yes, it's in Paris. Repeat, please. Very good. Excellent.
Le premier atelier présente en fait un jeu de tri de monuments avec des flashcards de monuments londoniens et de monuments parisiens. Les enfants ont un jeu dans les mains et posent ces flashcards sur deux plateaux de jeu. Un plateau de jeu où il y a un drapeau britannique, un plateau de jeu où il y a un drapeau français.
And what is it? Kéron? Hein? Tower Bridge, yes. Is it French or is it British? It's British. Repeat, please. Very good.
Ensuite, il y a un autre atelier où il s'agit en fait avec des bandes numérotées et un jeu de flashcards, cette fois-ci uniquement avec des monuments londoniens et 3 intrus de monuments parisiens. Il s'agit pour les enfants d'écouter en premier lieu une bande-son qui retrace en fait la visite d'une famille à Londres, et à chaque fois en fait qu'ils entendent un monument, les enfants posent la flashcard sur cette bande.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm in London with my brother Max and my mum and dad.
Can we get a taxi?
No, not today, Max. We're going to get the bus.
There are a lot of famous shops in London. Harrods is a big department store. Hamleys is a toy shop. Oxford Street and Piccadilly Circus are very busy.
Je travaille par cet atelier de visite dans Londres, la compréhension de l'oral. Les élèves écoutent une bande-son enregistrée par une native qui décrit sa visite dans Londres.
I like to visit London. In the morning, I take a walk in Hyde Park before getting on a red London bus. On the bus ride, I pass Trafalgar Square to see Nelson on his column.
Au fur et à mesure de l'écoute, les élèves numérotent sur un plan touristique les monuments en fonction de l'apparition sur cette bande.
Afterwards, I go shopping in Harrods and have tea at the Ritz Hotel. Later, I take the Underground towards Embankment to go up the London Eye to get a panoramic view of the city.
He has a green mask, yes. So, what do you do? Je travaille sur la compréhension de l'oral. Au cours d'une séance 1, les enfants font un monstre en autonomie avec l'usage des baladeurs numériques. Une fois que les monstres sont terminés, je prends une photo de leur monstre et je les mets sur le TNI, accompagné du modèle du monstre qu'ils ont créé. En séance 2, je prends les monstres des enfants que j'ai pris en photo, je les mets sur le TNI à côté du modèle du monstre original, et là je les fais parler en interaction pour mesurer les différences entre le monstre original et leur propre création. Listen and do your monster. You remember? You listen to me. You take, listen to me. Listen carefully. You take. What is it? What is it? What is it? Maxime, listen. Stop. What is a hair? A black hair. You take hair. You take. Green nose. For example, you take the
Eyes blue.
blue eyes. You take ears and the
Mouth.
and you put it to do your monster, okay?
Okay.
He has 4 blue eyes. He has 1 pink nose. He has 1 green mouth. He has 4 orange ears. He has 3 blue eyes, 4 pink ears, purple hair, a green nose, 2 orange mouths.
Now, different question? Yes?
What is the amendment?
Or
why is the amendment?
Why is the amendment? Okay, so can you help, please? Yes, Sophie.
What the second amendment gives?
Okay, if you want, yeah.
The second what? I don't understand.
What does the second amendment give?
The second amendment gives the signing of the...
No, it gives the right to do what? Can you help? You don't remember, no problem, yes?
The right to have identity.
Complete sentence.
The second amendment of the Constitution gives the right to have identity.
Alright, can you repeat this?
The
second amendment of the Constitution.
The second amendment of the Constitution
Gives the right to have a gun.
gives the right to have a gun.
You're going to listen and watch a video, alright? And I want you to concentrate just on the type of video. What is it? Okay? Ready? Steady. Go.
Now it's time for a brief history of the United States of America. Hi, boys and girls, ready to get started? Once upon a time, there were these people in Europe called pilgrims, and they were afraid of being persecuted. So they all got in a boat and sailed to the New World where they wouldn't have to be scared ever again. Oh, I'm so relaxed. I feel so much safer. But as soon as they arrived, they were greeted by savages, and they got scared all over again. So they killed them all. Now, you'd think wiping out a race of people would calm them down, but no. Instead, they started getting frightened of each other. Witch! So they burned witches. In 1775, they started killing the British so they could be free. And it worked, but they still didn't feel safe. So they passed a second amendment which said every white man could keep his gun. I loves my gun, loves my gun. Brings us to the genius idea of slavery.
So, what about this video? What is it exactly?
It's when the white people discover the world.
Okay.
And he discover the Indian people
Yes.
and the black people.
Okay.
And how do you say esclavage?
Anyone?
No.
Slaves, yes. Yes? So, Sophie, can you repeat? Just repeat your word.
Slaves.
Slaves.
And he slaved the black men.
Okay, so you mean slavery, actually. Okay, slavery. Okay, they were slaves. Okay, different?
She talked about second amendment.
Okay. All right, very good. And different? Yeah.
It's a fun video of the America, of the history of the America.
All right. All right. Can you say differently, America?
USA.
Yes. The USA. All right. Okay. Different. You wanted to say a different sentence.
They speak about Declaration of Independence.
Okay, very good. All right, different?
And they speak of...
Yes, Sophie?
They say, which?
Yeah, okay, yeah, exactly. You're right. What else? Nothing else? Okay, but first, maybe the obvious, yes?
And in video, I see every time in the USA have a gun.
Okay.
Like in the last minute lesson.
Yeah, you're right. That's that's very important, yes, in the video.
In 1776, people were killed British.
Okay, killed British. Okay. Yes?
It's a cartoon.
Okay, very good. Okay. And it's a cartoon. What is the subject of the topic of this cartoon?
It's a history cartoon, but it's funny.
Okay, right. Okay. So it's just funny. Okay, it's funny. All right. Now it's a cartoon. Can you finish the sentence? Yes.
It's not just funny.
Not in a criminal. Okay. It's not just funny. Okay.
It's real.
You think it's real? Okay. Yes, Diana.
It's a cartoon about the
Guns? In what history? In the history, yes. So can you repeat, please?
And influence.
Can you repeat, please, Diana?
About the gun in the USA.
And the USA history, can you say differently? You can. All right. Okay. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Yeah. Okay, repeat everybody. About. Okay, it's a cartoon about. It's a cartoon about guns in the history of the USA.
It's a cartoon about guns in the history of the USA.
All right, here we go. You watch the video again. All right, and you tell me who is who. All right.
Okay.
Who is Terry Colt, etc. All right. But
now it's time for a brief history of the United States of America. Hi, boys and girls, ready to get started? Once upon a time, there were these people in Europe called pilgrims, and they were afraid of being persecuted. So they all got in a boat and sailed to the New World where they wouldn't have to be scared ever again.
all right. So who is that? Yes. Exactly. Pilgrims. All right. Now, different.
I'm so relaxed. I feel so much safer. But as soon as they arrived, they were greeted by savages, and they got scared all over again. So they killed them all.
Okay, so who are they?
The Ku Klux Klan?
No.
No.
We're talking about this person. Yes. Yes, Sophie. No, they're not military. No. They are Indians, and the name for Indians is Native Americans. Okay, you can say Native Americans as well as Indians. All right, good. Next.
I want one today, okay? One chapter.
Et après, ça fait 7, ça fait, après ça passe à 11, mais du coup il n'y a pas le 8, en fait c'est vrai que dans les documents là, ça fait...
Really? So what is yours? 11? What is your number? I'm not sure. I'm not sure it is. Except that it's not necessary. If you, the picture is not an indication of what it's actually describing. So you really have to make it bigger first, and then what is it about this one? 11.